98%. That's the amount of corporate learning that has gone online since 2020. So, if you have skills and knowledge to share, now's a good time to build an online course. As for the payments, leave all your worries to Paymattic. If you're hosting your courses on LifterLMS, Paymattic is going to take care of everything.
Let's start with the Paymattic dashboard. Go to the Integrations tab. Enable the LifterLMS integration module by toggling this. Nope, you don't have to dance between 3 different tabs to get the API key, because you won't need it for this integration. FYI, LifterLMS integration is a pro feature, so you'll need Paymattic Pro to use it. It's time for you to create a form. Click Add New Form and hit Create Blank Form here. To take a field, simply hit the plus icon or type in / here. Taking the name and email field is enough for a simple form. Play around till your form looks good to you. Once done, hit Save. Remember, this is a crucial part. You must save your form before moving on to the next step, which is form integration. Click Add New Integration and select LifterLMS integration from the list. All the options to configure the feed will appear now. If you want, you can change the feed name. Select the LifterLMS course this form is going to be used for. The default option is to send a welcome email to your new users, which we highly recommend, by the way. Just click here to undo the option if you don't want to send the mail. Not all the users who enroll in your course will want to continue. Once you refund those students, you will want to revoke their access to your course materials, right? Thanks to Paymattic, you can get it done with one click. This will remove the users who chooses to get a refund or cancel the subscription. If you select this option, you can make sure your students get enrolled only after the payment has been made successfully. So that's it? Nope, we got more. Paymattic lets you use conditional logic. This makes your work a lot easier. Use the same form to enroll students in different courses. These actions depend on triggers set up by certain user activities. You can set up multiple integrations and the conditional logic will work across the platforms. Make sure the status is enabled before you create the feed. Once it's enabled, simply hit Create LifterLMS feed.
Now, wasn't that super simple? Your form will enroll your students, receive payments, unlock courses, and take actions based on triggers. All it took from your end is a few clicks. Tell us in the comments what you want to see next. For more helpful videos like this, subscribe to WPManageNinja and hit the bell icon.